Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a short paragraph named as Good Manners. Let us start. Many good manners are there that can help us to get a better lifestyle. We learn manners from our family, school, or society. There is no specific place to learn it. We can learn it from anywhere. We need to add a few good manners in our daily life. If we can do that, then it is possible to get a better life. We can take ourselves in the good book of most of the peoples by following these manners. Let's learn more about them. Good manners are some real life lessons that anybody can learn from anywhere in the world. We need to use some manners in school, at home, and in public places. These manners will build our future characteristics. With our good manners, we can prove how gentle we are. It also expresses the good side of our character and people will take us positively. They will accept us quickly and will get a good perception of our families. Some little manners can change someone's entire view about you. Let's learn about good manners first. Good manners at school. As a student, you need to go to school regularly. That's the place where you spend most of your time after home. So you need to follow some very important manners to make your school life enjoyable. Following these manners will make you a very important part of the class and everybody will care about you. Most importantly, teachers will love you if you follow these school manners. First of all, you need to become respectful to your teachers. Wherever you find them, you need to greet them properly. Before entering the class, take permission. When you are spending time with your classmates, you need to become friendly. Don't show any type of ego and become helpful. As much as possible, help them with their homework and other things. It will improve your mentality and lead you to become a future leader. Never ever take someone else's thing without their permission. Try to become attentive in the class and follow the teacher instructions. It will make you a good student and will take you to the favorite list of the teacher. When you are in a queue, never push anyone. Wait for your turn. Always greet your teachers, friends, and other people in the school properly. That's how you can maintain a good view of you in school. These common manners can help you a lot. Good manners at home. Home is very important for us because we spend the biggest amount of our time at home with our family. There are many good manners that can improve our family life. By following these manners, we can become a good person in everyone's eye. Let's learn about manners at home. Keeping yourself neat and clean is the first thing at home. Whatever you use, you need to ensure they are clean. It can be your clothes or could be a dish where you eat. Early rising is a very important thing and always you have to get up early in the morning. It has many good impacts on your body and mind. At that time, you can study better because it gives you the opportunity to focus better and then you need to take good food. Don't eat fast food or junk food. Before going out, take permission from your parents. When you make any mistake, admit it and say sorry. Never tell a lie with your parents. And always take care of your health. Respect your elders and love the younger. These are the basic manners to follow at home. Your family life will be amazing if you follow these regularly. Good manners for health. Some manners are directly connected with our health. These manners can improve your physical and mental health. The first manner is keeping yourself neat and clean. When you are neat and clean, you will feel fresh and it will give you extra energy to work or study better. Early rising is another important part of regular manners or habits. When you are getting up early, you can experience the beautiful moment that is not possible to experience any other time. The environment is so quiet and enjoyable. You can focus on any specific task at that moment properly. Brush your teeth regularly and don't miss it. It will keep your teeth fine. You need to adopt a healthy food diet. Always try to avoid junk or fast food. These foods kill our energy and make us lazy. Do some physical exercises if possible. They can help you to get a better body shape and fitness. The best time for physical exercise in the early morning, and that's why you need to get up early morning. Finally, the end of the day, you need to sleep as early as possible. Stay awake late night is very bad for our health and it makes a very bad impact. Conclusion. These good manners have much importance in our life. It adds so much productivity and make us positive about everything. In school or home, you will be loved if you follow these good manners. Everyone needs to follow these properly to get good characteristics in the future. By changing ourselves, we can change the entire world. If you think it's useful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.